Here are Kaley's puppies, and they're 4 weeks old, and they're getting their first taste of pottery. I opened their kennel door and they get so excited when they see me, and then I put the plate down and look, they're just like going for it, except for one little sleepyhead back there. I gotta wake her up or she's gonna miss out on the yummies. Hey, little one. Hey, wake up.
What are you looking for the line?
Look, there's food. Oh my goodness, there's food. Oh, there's one going potty back there. See? They're so good. Such good babies. Oh my God, look at him. He's standing in the food. That's Laredo. He's so funny. He's just full of spunk. Standing, walking all in the dish. Look at Lonnie's got, no, it isn't Lonnie. Lonnie's next to her. Let me see, who is that? I didn't think much before I did this. I put the plate in and they were so cute. I thought, oh, I'm going to grab my camera. It's picture day. Okay, the one on the left with the spots down her back, that's Luz. And then little Lonnie in front of her. And then cutting in front of her is Lily. Lily's going for it. And then we've got little Lisa. And Leslie, the all-white girl's gone back here. Don't know if I can get more. I need to get more light back there. Let's see. Let's see if that's better. That's a little better, huh? Okay. So Lonnie's moved back there by the potty park, along with Lorena, little Lorena, whose blaze comes kind of together in the middle of her head. And then we've got Leilani sleeping here. Leilani, wake up! Wake up, little baby. Wake up, darling. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, oops, nail caught. Wake up. Say hi. Say hi. Wake up. Let's see if I can get her to wake up. Hello, pumpkin. Mwah. Hello, pumpkin girl. Don't you want to try out some food? Huh? Huh? Wakey, wakey. Try the food. These puppies are so much fun. Even last week, we were able to bring them out and let people play with them. They'll interact with people already. They're just so cute. Oh, look at Laredo's got food all on his. Oh, now he's going over there and going potty. Good boy, Laredo. He's gonna need a bath though. He's like laid in the food. Oh my goodness. Oh, now Leslie's gonna come up and try some. There you go, Leslie. The bigger all-white girl. Oh, Lou's licking Laredo's back leg because he's all yummy with food all over him. Look at him talking to her. Lily's got a little spot of food on the center of her head. I'm gonna have to get wipes and wipe them down. Oh, I got a whole case of baby wipes, so. Look at Laredo talk to her. He's like, wake up, Leilani, come on. Don't be so boring. These puppies are so talkative, and like we walk by and they'll just wake up and talk to us like that. They're so cute. They make us laugh. Oh, look at Leslie go for the food now. Wow. She's like, my turn. I get the bowl to or the plate to myself. They don't always go for food like this, their very first exposure, but this group, they are. Lou's talking too. She and Laredo. Lonnie going after the back of Laredo there. Aren't they just so cute? We have enjoyed this little litter of puppies so much.
Hey Lonnie, nobody's gonna know your personality if you just lay there the whole time, you goofy girl. It's wakey time. Wakey time. Come on.
I bet they'll clean that plate. If I leave it there for another 10 minutes, I bet I come back and it's clean. They're so cute.
Another thought too. Why don't okay, I mean, a follow up. Maybe speaking of.
Yeah? What are you talking about? Huh? Are you talking to the food or to your sisters, huh?
So if they make an order of $100 or more, $50 or more.
They've made a mess. I'm gonna have to clean out their kennel. Oh my gosh, I should have just taken their towel out.
And then I'll contribute for the gift cards too.
Oh, Laredo's trying to get Leilani to wake up, isn't he? Pull her ear. Oh, here comes Lonnie. See if she's gonna get in on the fun. Oh my gosh, such a mess. Look at him play with her, so cute. What do you think, Lonnie? You want to come over and see me, huh? Tell Leilani to wake up. Tell her to get lively. Oh, I see Lisa back there. She's going to go potty again. This time I think she's going to go poopy. I love seeing them go on their potty park. That's so great. Because I'm forever having to take their towel out because they potty on their towel when they're little bitty. Yep, she's going poopy.
Yeah.
Little teeny tiny poopies. Look at her. Oh my gosh, look at this one on her back and he's crawling over her. Oh my gosh. Laredo. Can you see his wet little back leg where he sat in the food dish? Oh jeez. These puppies are too funny. Look at Lily's gonna try with Leilani now, huh? Yeah, maybe not. Oh! Look at Luz and Lisa back there.
What, little girl? Huh? Look. What, little pumpkin? Oh, sweet little thing, you. He says, I'm sleepy. Leave me alone. Well, they're trying to get her to play, aren't they? That's so funny that she just like isn't having it.
Right.
Luz is licking her face. She's like, no. Alright, well this is a nice long video. You get to see lots of activity from everybody but Leilani. Oh well, maybe next time. If you don't go to our Facebook page, you might want to do that, like at Pet's Favorite is our owner's page. And I think there's a link to it on the website. And then also on, I have a business page, Cathy's Coton Cuties, and I post stuff throughout the week on there too. So you might get to see an extra video or extra pictures or something if you hop on there. So for this week, it's Kaley's Puppies, 4 weeks old.